Okay, long story short, I got my hands on a laser machine and I needed a DMX controller lighting mixing board to make it actually work the way I wanted, right? And I'm sure you know that already, that's why you're watching this video, but what I'm gonna bring to you now is the knowledge that a complete amateur, after watching a couple of YouTube videos, was able to utilize this so effectively and so well. It is really as complicated as this looks. If you're a DJ, it's not that complicated, but if you're an amateur, as complicated as this all looks, ridiculously simple when you just spend like a half hour learning how to use it. So cool. I've done such great things with that laser system. I think as we go out here, I'll show you some video of what I've kind of done with it. All right, I've been out here doing my own little laser show here with this DMX board, and I have had so much time and so much success. So here's my recommendation. If you are a beginner or even an advanced person who's looking at this board, I was able to figure it out in an hour with a couple videos and have had an absolute fabulous time with it. It has worked perfect with this laser, which is over here, which I've been playing with all night, and you've seen the video from. Overall, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. If you're looking for a DMX 512 board, this is a great one. At least for my first one I've tried, it worked perfectly. Anyway, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time. Kona says we'll see you next time.